Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage, the shed, whatever that stuff is? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy Dave from Kentucky? I call him TP, the Tesla picker. Well, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all. What's going down? Yeah, this is Kevin. Hey, I'm from St. Louis. I just want y'all to know. Hey, I want to just show y'all what I picked up today. I had like probably a $70, $80 day that I bought stuff. It's a whole lot of stuff I'm gonna lot up. You know what I'm saying? Like I bought some DVDs. Let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. First of all, I bought. Okay, I ain't gonna lot this up. This is Shadow. The Shadow. It look like one of the Baldwin brothers are on there. Yeah, Alec Baldwin is in this movie. The Shadow. This movie right here worth $20-something, brand new. I got this for $1. Okay, what I'm gonna light up, I bought a whole lot of Thomas the Train DVDs and the Einstein DVD. If you all never sold that before, the Einstein for kids, then you need to jump on it and get them. But sometimes you buy the set. Like I sold the set before, it's worth a lot of money. So when I see them individually, I'll buy them and I'll put them up together and get at least $20 for them, for 4. Okay, so I got that. I got these braces for knee brace. Hold on, let me show you the price. Oh, I took the price off. I paid $1 for these. I go to this one store all the time, and they had them in there for $20 and $10. Months ago, and they marked them down to $1. I bought them. This is worth $30 right here. This one right here. This is a knee brace. These are wrist brace and elbow brace. I guess it go all the way up to your elbow. I don't know, but they wrist. So I paid $1 for these. I've got these on eBay for $9.99 a piece. Plus shipping. There's 2 of them in there. I paid $1 for 2. Okay, that one was $1. This one is $1. But I've been waiting on this. This was $10. About 4 weeks ago, it was $10. I was like, I ain't paying no $10 for that. But anyway, they finally marked them down. I grabbed them. Okay, y'all. This right here, it's a book set. It's supposed to be a book set. Paperback books. This is $40 right here. I scanned it because every time I see a set of books, I scan them. As y'all know what happened last time I scanned a set of books, $150. And that because it was $150 because I didn't have the dice that went in there. It was some kind of game book. And I didn't have the dice, but they were selling for $220 if it would have been complete. They wasn't complete. So I got $150. Woo! So y'all know, you look for these books, scan them, and see if they're worth something. Quit passing this stuff by. This is good money right here. It gets shipped out medium mail, probably $2.80, in between $2.80 and $5. Get it. You know what I'm saying? Medium mail. Okay. I paid, those are paperbacks. I paid 50 cents for that. Y'all get that? 50 cents. Paperback books are 50 cents where I go. Hardcovers are $1.50. That was 50 cents. Okay, y'all. Next up, I got a Lionel Train clock. I ain't looked this up yet, but I'm pretty sure it's worth about $20. See what I paid for that? I got it upside down. See what I paid for that? $4. I'm pretty sure I can get at least $25 for it. I ain't even put no batteries in to see if it works. And it's missing the battery cover off the back. So I'll probably get about $20 for that. The train clock. Okay. I got a whole lot of these Hallmark, Keepsake, Christmas ornaments. I got a whole lot of them. You see what that was? $1 a piece. I paid $1 a piece for them. I got like 10 of them. All of them different. I'm going to lot them together. I paid $10. I'm probably get, these probably worth $5 a piece or more. So I got 10 of them. So I'm lotting them up together. All of them are angels and stuff like that. That's why I'm lotting them up together. The angels and stuff like that. Plus I don't have time. I want to get them all gone. I got too much stuff at home. So I'm going to lot them up, probably ask about $40 for them. If they $10, I mean, if they $5 a piece and I got 10 of them, then that's $50. So I'm going to ask 40. You know what I'm saying? Get them out of here. I stopped at, you know, you guys know I got a handyman business, right? And I don't hardly never go to Home Depot. I shop at Lowe's and Menards. That's where I shop at. So I went to Home Depot today to try to find a railing for this lady's house, a vinyl, you know, handrail. And I stopped to look at their clearance, right? Let me show y'all what I got. And tomorrow I'm gonna go to some more to see some more Home Depots to see if they got some more of these. I bought this knife right here, $2.50. This selling for $18 on eBay. In between $12 and $18 on eBay. It's a magnetic knife. I got 5 of these. That's all they had on the shelf. If they had more, I'd have bought all of them. I got 5. These flashlights. Husky flashlight, come with the battery, 200 looms. I paid $2.50 for these. These $18 on eBay. I got 10 of these. I don't give a damn. I wish they had more. I would have bought more. I think I got 10. I got 8. I got 8 of these. I don't know what to say. I was scrambling looking for them. I was looking all up under stuff because there was some slots missing in this box. So I knew it was some more somewhere. What the hell? Anyway, yeah. I bought a couple of other things. Y'all look out for these antique, these older looking knives. I bought this knife set. See that? $4. It's called Old Forge. 4 knives in there. This vintage right here. $69 on eBay. $69. And y'all know I always buy knives. And I forgot to check on eBay to see if you can still sell these things. Because a whole lot of stuff you can't sell no more. But anyway, $69. I paid $4 for it. I'm going to sharpen them. Y'all know I sell knife sharpeners too. And they portable. You all watch one of my videos, you'll see them. I'll put the video link down in the thing. But anyway, I sell what they call sharp knife sharpener, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, they work good. I made a video, I used it, and you ain't gonna believe it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna sharpen them. I might throw that in with this. You know what I'm saying? And charge an extra $7 or something. 65, I might charge 72. So that's $7 more. Just saying, there's something to do. And then I'm gonna sharpen them, and I'm gonna tell them that I sharpened them with this sharp knife sharpener, and I'm gonna send it to them. You see how y'all do it? See how y'all do it. Next up, yeah, Carolina Hustler gonna like this. See that? That golf bag, it's a golf bag cooler. It's called Cool Tech Cooler Technology. That's the company. See how much I paid for that? $3. This selling for $29 to $40 on eBay. This little bag. It's like a little cooler bag. I got some cornyware in there. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, I didn't want it to break, so I put it in there. What the hell? Anyway, that's how much that's selling for. Then I bought a whole lot of stuff, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna see everything. Then I bought this camera right here. Is it broke? Hold on a minute. Oh, that's a thing rather. Okay, it's a right. It's a Rouch, whatever you want to call it, camera. I paid $3 for it. $3. I didn't look this up yet, but I sold a Rouch like this before, and it sold for like $60. I don't know how much this one's selling for, but I'm gonna look it up. I ain't looking. Sorry, y'all. I'm about trailer day unloading it. Yeah, they making all this. You ain't have to make all that damn noise though. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna look this price up, and I'm gonna put the comps down for it. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, y'all, I want to make this quick video about the stuff I found today. You know, and y'all stay safe out there. Hope y'all voted. I voted the other day, and because I don't want to stand in no long ass lines, so I voted the other day. And what the hell? Anyway, y'all, I just wanted to make a quick video about what I sold. So, you know, y'all take it easy, wear your mask, stay out of people's face, and, you know, if y'all want to go out and party, wear your mask while you partying. You know what I'm saying? Dude, just do you. But take care of yourself. You know what I'm saying? Take care of yourself. You don't have to be locked up in the house. Go out there with your mask on. If you don't like, put an extra rag up under your mask so it can filter some more. I don't know. Anyway, all I want to say is that if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, tell your buddies, all that. And Carolina Hustler, hey man, I sent you these pictures of this golf bag, man. I need to know. I had that golf bag for about 6 months, brand new in the box. I need to know about it. You know what I'm saying? I can't find it nowhere on the internet. I can't even find the tournament it was in. I take that back. I did find a tournament, but not that year. But anyway, y'all, I just want to say, you know, that, you know what? We pickin' the hood too. Yes, we do. Yeah. Peace.